If you feel tired for no reason, bloated, or constantly in a bad mood, your gut is sending you a message. It's time to listen. The modern diet has destroyed the microbiome of billions of people. But the good news, it can be repaired with food from your refrigerator. Your microbiome contains 38 trillion microorganisms. They produce vitamins, train your immune system, and manufacture 90% of your serotonin, the happiness molecule. Your gut is literally your second brain. You don't need expensive supplements. Here are 5 simple foods that transform your gut in for weeks. Kefir, a massive source of live probiotics. 1 glass a day and your beneficial bacteria come flooding back. Kimchi and Miso are traditional fermented foods that feed billions of beneficial bacteria in a single meal. Green bananas, oats, and garlic are prebiotics, essentially the food for your good bacteria. Without them, even probiotics can't survive. Less bloating, more energy, better sleep, clearer skin. Your body knows how to heal itself if you feed it right.
Hi there, save this free guide. Link in bio.